Here is my Volvo EX30 sales pitch. Are you looking for a small but smart electric SUV that offers style, performance, and value? Then you should check out the new 2025 Volvo EX30, the latest addition to Volvo's electric lineup. The EX30 is the smallest and fastest Volvo ever, with a choice of two powertrain options: single-motor extended range and dual-motor performance. The single-motor model delivers 268 horsepower and 253 foot-pounds of torque, and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. The dual-motor model boosts those numbers to 422 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque and can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Both models come with a 64 kilowatt-hour battery pack that provides up to 275 miles of range, and can be recharged using a DC fast charger in about 30 minutes. The EX30 also offers a spacious and luxurious interior for a vehicle its size. The cabin is equipped with the latest technology and connectivity features, such as a 14.5-inch center touchscreen with built-in Google services, Apple CarPlay, and 5G connectivity, a head-up display, a Harman/Kardon sound system, and a wireless charging pad. The EX30 also has a high level of safety and driver assistance features, such as city safety, blind spot information system, cross-traffic alert, runoff road mitigation, lane keeping aid, driver alert control, road sign information, adaptive cruise control, and pilot assist. The EX30 is not only fast and fun, but also eco-friendly and sustainable. The EX30 uses recycled materials for its upholstery and has a low lifetime CO2 footprint. The EX30 is also eligible for the federal EV tax credit, which could lower its price by up to $7,500. The EX30 is the perfect electric SUV for urban adventurers who want to enjoy the best of both worlds, a compact and agile vehicle that does not compromise on quality, comfort, or performance. The EX30 is available for reservation on Volvo's website, and will go on sale in summer 2024. Don't miss this opportunity to own the new flagship of Volvo's electric future. Reserve your EX30 today and get ready to experience the thrill of electric driving.